Hi, in front of me is Nokia 2.4 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type sound recorder. Then download one of these apps, for example that one, and open it. Over here you need to tap Allow and click on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the small button and unpause it by clicking on the same one. If you want to end your recording, tap on the large red button, and over here you need to tap on all of these numbers to name your recording. When you're done, click OK. If you want to access all your recordings, click at the bottom left corner on the headphones icon. As you can see, all my recordings are over here. If you want to delete some of them, click at the pin icon at the top right corner and tap on the one that you want to delete, for example that one. Then click delete and OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!